is where it began as a farmer, 12 years old, growing the vegetable. It's my parents' farm, but they give me 1 acre so that I can make some money. 2 hours walk every day from my home. When it's the harvest time, get the coriander, 5 kilo at the front, 5 kilo at the back, carry down to my parents. That is tough. Everyone knows that Saiphin can do it. One day, my parents left me to sleep in here by myself in the little hut, 12 years old. I remember, even today, I can hear animals walking along my hut. Coriander. Here we go, this is my rock! Every time I am sad, I'm only sit here, look at the view, and it just makes me feel like alive. This rock is everything to me. As a farmer, it's make me feel like I'm so strong. It's make me so proud of myself. I can cope with everything now. I cannot believe something, for me. Yeah, so this is where it begins.